Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will talk on the logistic system, characteristics of the logistic system, which comes under the syllabus of the global logistics and the warehousing management. The title of the paper is a study on the characteristics of the logistic system of the Taiwan's cosmeceutical industry. This paper is published in the International Journal of the Pharmaceutical Science Invention, ISN Online 2319-6018, ISN Print 2319-67X. Volume 7, Issue 6, Version 1, June 2018, pp. 2836. The purpose of this study is to explore the characteristics of the logistics system in the Taiwan's cosmeceutical industry. The logistics system of the cosmeceutical industry includes the logistics information system, the external logistics system, and the internal logistics system. The case study was conducted for two representative cosmeceutical companies in the Taiwan through questionnaire surveys and in-depth interviews. The data collected was comprehensively discussed and benchmarked to arrive at the conclusion. The keywords are the logistic system characteristics, cosmeceuticals, logistic information system, and chain drug store. The cosmeceutical industry was estimated to be the worth over the 39 billion in 2011 based on the recent global markets, which had increased significantly from the 24 billion back in the 2004. As a result, it is acknowledged as the fastest growing segment of the cosmetics and the personal care industry. From 2012 to the 2016, a compound annual growth rate of the 7.7% was predicted, which grew at the rate of the 4.7% in the last growth period, 1998-2008. Currently, the top market for the cosmeceutical industry is the USA, while the UK, Germany, France, Italy, and Spain are the leading European market, followed by the Japan. The combined global market share of the 5 European countries is the 65%, 20 billion. With that said, the Asian Pacific market is anticipated to have the greatest growth potential. In the age of the information technology and the digital technology, the cosmeceutical industry in the 21st century faces increasingly fierce competition. In recent years, several studies on the logistics management that aim to make information flow and logistics more effective and costless were conducted. Due to globalization, logistics management become an important factor to consider in the cosmeceutical industry. The logistics management system that implies information technology and strategic alliance with the third-party logistics provider will be the future logistics system strategy. According to logistics from the IMF, the logistic cost of the general company offer account for 5% to the 35% of the company sales, which is the one of the major operating costs. The purpose of the material management is to deliver materials in a timely and appropriate manner. Therefore, the logistic management system plays an important role in the cosmeceuticals industry, since the cosmeceutical industry supplies a wide variety of the commodity to its customer. Its logistic activity will be more complicated. The cost of the logistics activity depends mainly on the logistics system strategy. In order to analyze the logistics system of the domestic cosmeceutical industry, a good understanding of the cosmeceutical industry's logistics management system was developed, followed by an examination of the delivery of the commodity. Finally, a comparative analysis on the internal logistics systems and logistic performance evaluation of the major retailers are completed. The purpose of this study is as follows. Number one, to explore the logistic information system of the cosmeceutical industry. to explore the cosmeceutical delivery industry transport methods, to explore the internal logistic system in the cosmeceutical industry, to compare the logistic performance of the cosmeceutical industry. Literature review. Many studies on the various cosmeceutical industry have been conducted, including the construct of the critical success factor in the Pharmacy Strategic Alliance, Wang 2012, and the discussion on the development of Taiwan's chain pharmacy, Jiang 2016, Chai ETL 2010, and Huang 2007 utilized the analytical hierarchy process and the statistical software tool to investigate the key factors in the cosmeceutical chain soft storage industry. Interviews and questionnaire were conducted through representative cosmeceutical chain store managers. Analysis of the factors that affect operating condition of the chain. More system was performed along with the in-depth interview with the representative of the cosmeceutical industry in major city of the Taiwan. The hierarchical analysis was used to discuss the importance of the key success factors. However, only a few studies in the characteristics of the logic system for the cosmeceutical industry was conducted. The result of the case study of Vance et al. 2005 showed that there is a sound logistic information system between the vendors and the suppliers, which can improve operational efficiency and in turn increase the competitive advantage of the logistic quality, speed, service, and flexibility. In the aspect of the external logistics system, logistics center can improve the efficiency of the logistic operation. Cooperation with the logistics centers can enhance inventory management and reduce overall logistic cost. The design and efficiency of the logistics are becoming more crucial, and all the logistic process need to be linked together. Therefore, the characteristics of the drugstore logistics system require exploration and in-depth analysis. Research method. The study designs with the analysis of the supply chain management system of the domestic cosmeceutical industry. The supply chain characteristics of the cosmeceutical industry were analyzed. The logistic information system of the cosmeceutical industry center, including the information system architecture of the logistic center and the information flow of the conceptual retail industry were discussed. Then the delivery plan between the cosmeceutical industry and the logistic center are discussed. Finally, the internal logistic system and the logistic performance evaluation of the main dominance of the cosmeceutical industry are comprehensively compared. This study mainly explores the logistic operation system of the domestic cosmeceutical industry through a questionnaire surveys on the transportation method of the major domestic cosmeceutical store. Furthermore, the analysis of the information system and the internal logistic system strategy of major cosmeceutical store in the Taiwan is conducted by conducting in-depth interview to explore the practices based on the above mentioned research framework. The interview questions are divided into the two parts. The first part is the core issue, including the cosmeceutical industry logistics information system, internal logistics systems, and the external logistics system. The second part is related basic information, including the basic information of the company. The face-to-face interview of the case company is conducted according to the pre-designed interview questionnaire. Two most representative cosmeceutical stores, Teen Drug Store and Cosmet 2000, were selected as the subject of this study. The logistic system of the two cosmeceutical stores are compared to analyze the drug store industry logistic system and its characteristics. Data analysis of this system is divided into the two parts. Analysis of the commodity delivery plan. A survey questionnaire is applied to explore how commodities are purchased and distributed by the logistics center to each branch. Case analysis of the major domestic logistics system strategy. Open questionnaire is used in this study. Objective and in-depth interview are conducted to obtain the required information. Data is systematically collected and analyzed. The topics such as logistic information system, external logistic system, internal logistic system, extra were collated and classified, summarized, and identified. Finally, the best logistic operation system is deduced for the domestic drug store retailers. Case study. Case company of the Tin Tune Drug Store. Company profile. The Tin Tune Drug Store system is divided into three major parts: the measurement center, the logistics center, and the store. The management center and the logistics center are located in the head office of the Kaohsiung City, Taiwan. The management sector has a three department responsible for handling the operations, namely the purchasing department, the personnel department, and the logistics department. And all the accounting department responsible for processing the bills. The purchasing department is responsible for contacting the orders and monitoring the inventory of each store. If the inventory is insufficient, the computer system will be used to arrange shipping. The personnel department manages the attendance of all employees and the settlement of the employee's salary. The computer center is responsible for the normal operation of the entire system. Any error or the updates will be handled by the computer center. The logistics center is responsible for storing and delivering the commodity. Logistic information system. System architecture. According to the information flow between the company and the respective cosmetical suppliers, the current logistic information system and functions are as follows. Tin Tin Drug Store conducts commodity management, membership management, and case register work using the BSMS PO system. The ERP procurement management system is used to process the order. The supplier delivers the required materials or the commodity to Carry TG Logistics. Carry TG Logistics deliver the commodity on time through the warehousing and the distribution management. Order information system. The Tin Tin Drug Store applied the GISA data bar 2017 management system designed by the BCC Soft company. Purchase, batch manager, and validity period management. The commodity can be input into the commodity batch number and the validity period through GSI data bar barcode or the manual input. The validity period and the quality of each batch of the commodity can be checked on the screen. The validity period and the batch number can be effectively controlled. Sales batch number and validity period management. When the commodities are sold, the batch number and validity period of the commodity already exist, and the system will follow the FIFO principle. Inventory batch number and the validity period management. Due to the validity period and the batch number of the commodity data, the promotion of the dead stock can be effectively processed. Defective commodities can be effectively eliminated. Both service quality and customer satisfaction can be improved. The sales point batch number and the validity period management. The final checkup work can be done at the point of the sale to avoid the loss of the company's goodwill due to the overdue sales or defective commodities. From the above illustration, it can be seen that the GSI data bar is used to indicate the relevant information of the commodity, such as the validity period and the batch number. Whenever the commodity is manufactured in the whole logistic management, the principle of the first in first out FIFO of the commodity can be implemented, and the loss caused by the overdue commodity can be eliminated. In the meantime, batch management will make it easier for the commodity to be tracked and traced. It makes the recycling of the commodity easier. Payment information system. According to first part of the questionnaire, the payment information system used between the company and the drug manufacturer is described as follows. Barcode application model for receiving commodity, stocking, collecting commodity, and distribution process. Automatic warehouse process barcode application model. Mechanism combining PO sales and the inventory management. Sales price and the promotion of commodity can be set by the BRM CRP headquarters. The POS can be achieved the correct case register mechanism, and even the VIP members can have different discount settings. Each POS store will be immediately input and stock information of purchase, return, transfer, scrap, and inventory adjustment. The auditing capability of the headquarter on each store is improved by using the one-way, two-way confirmation model. The use of the automatic replacement and the distribution method. prevent shortage of the sales item. It is also able to arrange the delivery route more effectively. The mechanism of the invoice management, which can be managed POS invoices, numbers, valid invoices, and the invoice records. Announcement and interbank performance can be transmitted to allow the head office and the store to obtain the information. Commodity can be assembled and disassembled by the store itself. The head office can also change the inventory. External logistics system. According to information on the transportation plan of the cosmetical commodity collected by the questionnaire, the external logistics system of the Tin drug store is mainly for the transportation of commodity. This study explores the transportation method of the different brands of the cosmetical. The statistics and the analysis of the result are as follows. Sale delivery by the supplier accounted for the 28%, delivered by the logistic company accounting for the 38%, delivered for the master depot accounting for the 34%. Internal logistics system, commodity replacement, commodity supply, and the supply operation. According to the third part of the questionnaire, the result of the material replacement operation of the internal logistics system are as follows. General commodity are delivered to the stores by the internal warehouse, while the commodity of the specific manufacturer are delivered by the President Trans Group. The head office purchase commodity from the major pharmaceutical industry. In the inventory system, after each branch stores the commodity, it can be put on the shelves after the confirmation. If there is any error, the company will be correct the inventory quantity. In addition to the company's self-delivery through the computer inventory system, once purchase is successful, the information will be automatically be sent to the computer system in the head office. Chemicals are divided into the instruments, medical commodity, and general medical supplies. Most instrument and the medical commodity are shipped by the manufacturer. Some commodity are shipped from the master depot. All medical supplies are shipped from the master depot. Manufacturers purchase when the computer detects the inventory is getting low. It will be placed an order with the manufacturer. After receiving the order, the manufacturer will ship the item with the lowest shipping amount of the ask carrier TJ Logistics to deliver the commodity to the branch. After the store receives the commodity, the acceptance check operations are carried out. The commodities can be put on the sale for the sale once it is confirmed that the quantity is in line with the purchase order. The internal logistics system incoming operation process is as follows. The arrival commodity will first recorded in the computer inventory and then distributed by the logistic driver to each branch. The commodity are put on the sales after the store receives the commodity. More information will be sent to the company if the actual number does not match. Procurement process. There are two ways in the replacement supply operation. Sales from the computer. The computer system of the head office automatically orders from the manufacturer for the minimum inventory quantity that each store should have to be ensure proper quantity of the commodity in each store. The inventory is lower than the minimum inventory set by the system. When the manufacturer collects the order and confirms that the order amount is higher than the shipped amount, the commodity will be delivered. After the commodity are sent to the store, they are accepted by the branches and recorded. After the inventory system is available, it will be ready to put on the sales for the sale. Purchasing is divided into two types as described above. The time for purchasing large quantity usually occurs at the end of the month when new activities are held. Each manufacturer will send the discounted commodity and new items to each branch. Customer order. The pickup order is transmitted to the computer system in the head office. The purchaser performs purchase through the computer system after receiving the order. The supplier delivers the commodity to the branch. Once the branch receives the commodity, customers will be informed to pick up the commodity. For urgent pickup commodity or a special commodity, you need to ask the purchasing personnel to process the order first and speed up the supplier shipping time to avoid the customer complaints. Inventory management system. The ERP system of the Arctech is employed in the company. The commodity barcode can be used. The commodity barcode can be used to search the in-store inventory. The commodity details include the manufacturer and the latest sales date. It can be used to place an order by the store staff. The inventory management system uses the PO system and the acceptance system. The PO system monitors the inventory quantity. The acceptance system is responsible for integration of the quantity on each purchase order. Incoming community management can check whether if the acceptance is completed. When the inspection record is uploaded onto the computer, the data will be stored in this computer system. If the quantity on the purchase order does not match the quantity of the manufacturer, you can check whether there is an acceptance error through this action. POC used to manage sales details, the daily sales details, and the average sales item per month, all queried here. The sales detail can be used to find out the gross profit and the total turnover of that day. It can also be used to confirm if there is a case register error. Case company 2, Cosmet. Company profile. Cosmet's main commodity are non-prescription drugs, cosmetic, and daily necessity. It adopts the business model of the Japanese drug stores. Business scope includes the pharmaceutical and the cosmetic retail. Cosmet has sound organization and talent training and is committed to the development of a unique drugstore retail talent cultivation system. It has high quality commodity and selects the best quality and the most reliable commodity for customers. The number of Cosmet stores has grown to over 364 stores in the Taiwan as of the April 2017. In response to the high demand for the practice in the Taiwan and the world, the number of Cosmet stores in Taiwan will continue to increase at a fast rate. Logistic information system architecture. The information flow between the company and its supplier is as follows. Although the previous established supply chain management have improved the workflow between the suppliers and the retail support international, there is still room for the improvement in the supply operation. The most obvious one is the great variability in the number of orders for the upstream of the traditional commerce channel. The bullwhip effect that causes high inventory also appears in the existing logistics of the Cosmet. Therefore, the Cosmet takes market demand management as the core thinking point and uses the VMI model to integrate the 5 roles: marketing activity, commodity procurement, logistic and distribution, supplier and the store manager. The partnership among the head office, store and logistics center and supplier is enhanced. An innovative VMI model has been developed. The biggest change in the Cosmet's operation success is to build the VMI hub on the existing supply chain platform by using the sales forecasting model that can automatically learn and set parameters. The forecasted sales volume of the commodity is adjusted quarterly to increase the forecast accuracy of the future sales. A unique automatic replacement suggestion mechanism established in the Cosmet store. The Cosmet procurement process takes about 20 days from the contract signing to the store delivery. Each manufacturer will first negotiate with the company's marketing department, MDR, for bargaining. There is no time limit for bargaining negotiations. Whenever has higher bargaining power can obtain higher gross profit in the transaction. Generally, one with the urgent time has relatively lower profit in the process of the bargaining. Therefore, the MDR will be delayed so that the gross profit will be higher. However, the time for the commodity to be put up on the sales will be later than that of the same industry. in the bargaining process. The company will also hold a merchandise procurement meeting to determine the appropriate merchandise to avoid affecting the overall judgment ability due to the subjective awareness of the purchaser or the personal preference. When the contract with the manufacturer is determined, the company will start to file the data and send it to the logistics. The order will be placed to the supplier after receiving the notice. The store uses data provided by the PDA and the factor like estimated sales data to analyze the changes in the inventory. The top 30 best wholesale items are selected by applying ABC analysis method, selecting potential commodity and continuous improvement of the ordering skills can be avoided shortage. The way to place an order is as follows. In general, Retail Support International will place order with the suppliers on the Monday. The suppliers do the shipping on the Wednesday. At this point of the company will place an order with the Retail Support International on Thursday. Once Retail Support International received the order, it began to tally and deliver the commodity to the store on Friday or Saturday. The order is delivered directly by the MDR and the commodity are delivered to the store at the first time. The store can then place order according to its sale situation. Drug payment information system. What kind of the payment information system is used between the company and the cosmetical supplier? The commercial automation model of 7-Eleven system was adopted by the Cosmet in the early days, but drug store and convenience store differ slightly in the system analysis. Therefore, the PO system of the Japanese drug store is adapted to cope with the intelligence analysis of the drug store as shown in the table 4.1. Commercial automation. Information flow standardization, commodity barcode, electronic data exchange standard, print and reply to the store's return message, commodity sales automation, point of sale management system, commodity matching automation, electronic ordering system, inventory management system, value added network system, return management system, commodity circular automation, commodity ordering automation, suggested order quantity system, average weekly sales volume of the commodity, accounting automation, commodity ordering automation, standard financial and the accounting system. External logistics system. The transaction model adopted by the company is as follows. Supplier self-delivered by the cosmetical supplier account for the 0 degree. The commodity of the conceptual supplier is 100% transported by the logistic company. Cosmetical supplier jointly find the logistic company barriers, account for 0%. The shipment from the Cosmet master depot accounts for the 0%. The results show that a Cosmet drugstore completely outcomes all commodity to Retail Support International. The logistic risk may be greater than that of the Tintin pharmacy. Therefore, Cosmet store must pay attention to the delivery status of the Retail Support International. Otherwise, any problem in the delivery process might cause the disruption in the supply chain of the Cosmet. Internal logistics system. Material replacement supply operation. The purchase operation process is described as Cosmet's logistic operation are outsourced to the Retail Support International so that the Cosmet can focus on the pharmaceutical field. Cosmet can get more professional logistic services to meet the need of the consumers because the Retail Support International is a good professional logistic company. Supply operations. The drug supply operation are the as follows. Most Cosmets commodity are patent medicine. Each supplier delivers the patent medicine to the logistic center and then delivers them to each store. The head office will pass the order to the Retail Support International, and Retail Support International will purchase the medicine from the major pharmaceutical companies and deliver them to the logistic center. Then the logistic center will deliver the commodity to each store. If there is any problem, the head office will be informed to modify the inventory quantity. Chemical commodity purchase supply process. The medical supplies and the instrument commodity will be shipped to the logistics center and then to the stores. A supplier purchase whenever inventory of commodity is insufficient, the electronic ordering system will be used to transfer the required commodity data to the head office. The head office will be order the commodity from the supplier. After receiving the commodity, the supplier will ship the commodity to the logistics center and finally deliver to the store. After the commodities are received by the store, inspection and the acceptance operation will be carried out. Finally, the commodity will be put on the shelves for sale. B. Logistics purchase. The planning process of the supply chain route is as follows. Once the commodity from the logistics center arrive, the data will be first input to the computer inventory, then it will be distributed to each store. After the commodity is received by the store, the commodity are put on the sales for the sale. Cosmet procurement process. The store uses the electronic ordering system to transfer the data to the head office. The head office will transfer the order to the Retail Support International using EDI. The received order will be held. Finally, the Retail Support International will be distribute them to each other. In addition to conducting market research, the company also held procurement meeting to decide new commodity without the personal references or the subjective consensus. After confirming the imported power will have higher gross profit than the order of the commodity is passed to the Retail Support International company. The first delivered commodity is delivered by the marketing department. Each store decides the order quantity based on the sales situation of the commodity. Cosmet analyzes the sales performance to watch the status of the various merchandise sale. Cosmet control orders to reduce the slow sales and increase hot items. By collecting customer consumption and the commodity information, we can understand the commodity that customer need. A POS system is used to streamline store operation and to reduce labor cost. Once the stock is lower than the minimum inventory, the system will be automatically placed in order. In addition, Cosmet introduces the supply chain management system to form a three-way digital link with the supplier and the logistics center through the web mechanism to reduce inventory, delivery time, and the cost of the operation. Cosmet Logistics Center accurately knows the inventory of each branch using the CSM system. The commodities are delivered to the store in time to improve the efficiency. Comparison of the logistic information system. In addition to POS system in the payment information system, the two consequential stores use totally different systems such as the order information system, external logistics system, internal logistics system, procurement process, and inventory management system. See as shown in the table 4.2. Comparison of the system used. Item, order information system, Tintin drug store, BCC shop, GSI data bar management system, Cosmet, negotiation between supplier and the company marketing department using the back-end ABC analysis, payment information system, barcode application model, POS sales and the inventory management mechanism, POS. External logistics system, mainly commodity transportation, adopting an outsourcing strategy. Internal logistics system, material replacement, supply operation, POS system, electronic ordering system. Purchasing process, computer invoicing management system, order by customer, electronic data interchange. Is used as a delivery method. Comparison of the drug payment information system, table 4.4 shows the differences in the drug payment information system between the Tintin drugstore as Cosmet. The Tintin drugstore divides the payment system into the distribution process barcode application model, automatic warehouse process barcode application model, and also the sales inventory management mechanism combined with the POS. Although they are all POS system, the Tintin POS is similar to the POS system used in the general service industry. Cosmet adopt the POS of the Japanese cosmetical stores, which are inherently used by and targeted for the cosmetical stores. Their Cosmet's payment information system is the better. Payment information system comparison. Tintin drugstore, payment system information, Cosmed, using Japanese drugstore POS system, the adoption of the electronic invoicing, information analysis and the automation, comparison of the external logistics system according to the answer regarding the support method of the information obtained from the questionnaire. The statistical analysis is conducted to identify the delivery method. Among the 60 suppliers, those who belong to their one supplier, shipping accounted for the 28%, shipping by the logistic company accounted for 38%, joint shipping 0%, the master depot shipment accounted for the 34%, and there are no strategic alliances shipping. The Cosmed edge outsourced to retail support international as shown in the table 4.5. Table 4.5, comparison of the external logistics system. Tintin drugstore, Cosmed, self-delivered by the cosmetical supplier 28%, 0%. Shipped by a logistic company assigned by the each cosmetical supplier 38%, 100%. Shipped by a logistic company co-assigned by the cosmetical supplier 0%, 0%. The master depot Tintin drugstore takes over all the shipment issues 34%, 0%. Cosmed uses only its logistic in the event of the emergency. The Tintin drugstore has a option of the shipping. Therefore, Tintin drugstore external logistics system is better than the Cosmed. Comparison of the internal logistics system. Table 4.6 compares the material replacement process and the procurement process between the Tintin drugstore and the Cosmed store. Tintin drugstore commodity include baby, kids, and maternity in addition to the pharmaceuticals and the chemical commodities. On the other hand, Cosmed store does not supply those items for general medicine. In addition of the specific supply delivery at the President Transport Corp, the other is distributed from the master depot. Cosmed commodity are only divided into the general drugs and chemicals commodity. Cosmed is mainly OTC, over the counter drugs. Each supplier delivers the OTC medicine to the logistic center and then delivers to each store. The delivery of the chemical commodity is divided into the supplier's purchase and logistic purchase. In the procurement process, the Tintin system is divided into the computer invoicing management system and the customer order. For the Cosmed's procurement process, the order is passed to the head office using the electronic ordering system and then passed to the retail support international. Finally, the commodity is delivered to each store. Tintin's computer invoicing management system does not allow shortage of the commodity to occur. Customer ordering supplier can place their own order. Cosmed's material replacement supply can save delivery time and reduce error, although the Tintin's material replacement operation are near perfection. The commodity information is more and more reproducible. Therefore, the Cosmed's material replacement supply operation will be better. Comparison of the material shipment logistic operation. General medicine, Tintin drugstore, Cosmed, delivered by the master depot, delivered by the President Transport Corporation, logistic center distribution, chemical commodity, delivered by the supplier, delivered by the logistic company, delivered by the supplier, delivered by the logistic company. Baby commodity, delivered by the supplier, delivered by the logistic company. Purchasing process, computer invoicing management system, customer order, electronic ordering system. Comparison of the inventory management system. Table 4.7 shows the differences between the Tintin and Cosmed inventory management system. The Tintin's inventory query, monitoring and acceptance of the ERP, POS and inventory respective, while Cosmed only uses POS system. The difference between Cosmed and the Tintin drugstore is that the POS used by the Cosmed combines CRM to monitor sales. Tintin drugstore uses a variety of the system to manage the inventory, while Cosmed can do all the functions with just one system. Therefore, if there is a problem happen in the process, Tintin drugstore will be easier to solve than Cosmed. Thus, Tintin drugstore inventory management system is better. Comparison of the inventory management, inventory inquiry. Tintin drugstore and the Cosmed adopt ARK TRP system to search for the in-store inventory by input commodity barcode or in-store code using basic data maintenance commodity data inquiry system. For inventory management, the company adopts the third generation PO system developed in the cooperation with the Taiwan NEC. Surveillance system monitoring inventory quantity with the PO system. The PO system combines customer relationship management to monitor sales status, inventory, and the control order. Acceptance system adopt the acceptance system to upload the inspection data of the each branch, including the purchase quantity, and summarize it into the inventory of the each branch. The inventory management system can check whether the purchase order acceptance is completed. Conclusion and suggestions. This study compared the logistic characteristics of the Tin drugstore and cosmeticals. In the distribution process, both Tin drugstore and Cosmed have logistic centers that can quickly pick up the commodity. In the logistic information system, Cosmed's PO system combined with the SSM is able to understand customer needs. However, Tin drugstore does not have such a system. In the procurement process, the speed of the order taking and shipping by the supplier is extremely important. Tin sells more variety of the commodity than the Cosmed, thus making the procurement process more complicated compared to the latter. If the Cosmed uses the web mechanism to connect with head office and suppliers, it is better than Tin. In terms of the speed and efficiency of purchase, the variety of commodity sold in the cosmetical industry is technologically complicated and has great variability. Thus, the time spent in the immediate process must be reduced. This can be achieved by using the logistic information system. Therefore, integrity and stability of the Cosmed's logistic information system is generally better than the Tin's. Suggestions for Tin drugstore: the customer relationship management needs to be established to obtain the customer's need. The logistic center order picking process can be simplified and the shipping speed can be increased. For Cosmed, in addition to retail support internal logistic, third-party logistic center can be used to reduce risk. In addition, by outsourcing to the retail support internal logistic, the commodity must be shipped from the total warehouse to the retail support international and then sent to the store, which can be directly delivered from the third-party logistics center to the store to save the transportation time. Then the references are given here.